Namaste, dear friends. This is RS Bharat from Indian Mission Delhi. As already you have been informed about the meeting of senior leaders, MPs, MLAs, and experts who really care for the people and the nation was held in Delhi regarding to have a discussion on making plans to fight the many problems and the losses we are facing due to lockdown in the country. In the meeting, a decision has been taken that if we really want to save ourselves and our country from such problems and losses, then we need to make such system by which maximum people will have the employment near to their hometowns. In the meeting, a mission has been launched named Indian Mission. For the proper management of the mission, it will be run under registered organization Adarsh Nirman Manch, and a management committee has been built where Dr. Anis has been appointed as a president, me, RS Bharat, as a director and spokesperson, and Mr. VK Shak has been appointed as a national coordinator. Under the mission, a program will be organized to find such a group, party, organization, or individual who have such plans and strategies by which maximum people will have employment near to their hometowns. Such groups, parties, organizations, and individuals will be brought on a single platform where one by one all will be interviewed about their plans and strategies to provide maximum people employment near to their villages. A video will be shot of the same and it will be published in all over the country for public. The video will be reached to you and every common man. And the common man, above 18 years, citizen of the country, will vote for these participants by their mobile phones and Aadhaar card. This is how public select the best solution provider. Once the winner will be finalized, public will appeal all the MPs, MLAs and experts to join the winner, the best solution provider. The MPs and MLAs who will not support the best solution provider selected by the public, those MPs, MLAs might be destroyed by the public by starting a movement against such MPs, MLAs, because it shows that these leaders have nothing to do with public's well-being and they are not concerned for the nation either. Their incentives, facilities and services will be stopped, which are being provided by the current government. On the other side, approximately 80 to 90% MPs and MLAs who really care for the public and the nation will be come in support of the new leader. And thus, new government will be reformed in center and states without any election all over the country under the best solution providers leadership. In the new government, the new system will be implemented by which maximum people will have job near to their hometowns and all the MPs, MLAs, experts and common men will be appointed on new positions as per their contribution and the performance in the mission's success. Everyone can work under this mission in two ways. One, if you want to appoint it on the positions like MP, MLA, Parshad, Councillor, Pradhan, etc., then you have to join the mission as a coordinator. Or who want a job near to their village, they need to join a mission as a member. In the mission, a website has been created which is www.indianmission.in, so that you will not face any difficulties to become a coordinator or a member from your home by understanding terms and conditions to join the mission. If somebody uneducated who is not able to fill the form, then he can visit nearby cyber cafes or other form filling shops to become a member or a coordinator. There is a joining fees for everyone as per the level and the area, which you can understand from the description. Once you join as a coordinator, you will have registration ID. Then You can also join others as a coordinator or member. And you can earn up to 50% as a commission of total fees of the members and the coordinators joined by you. This is still mission get success. As the mission becomes successful, then you receive the same amount every month as a salary of the commission you have received before mission success. And also, you will be appointed on the position with matching responsibilities and authorities you deserve. You will be provided appropriate facilities, incentives, and other benefits as per your positions too. If you really want to work for the nation and the well-being of the public in your area, then join the mission within 5 days. Otherwise, someone else with good command over public will be appointed from your area and he will get all the benefits. A YouTube channel named Indian Mission News has been started to reach you with more information in future. Subscribe it and share it with your friends and relatives so that they also have the information about the mission. Whoever will not join the mission or support the mission, public may destroy such people and stop their facilities and services which are being provided by the current government. This is also, let me clarify that this mission is not against any party or individual. It is truly for everyone's well-being and the nation. It is against them who are creating troubles in people's life and destroying nation's peacefulness and growth. If you want to be a part of good deeds, if you have such plans, then participate in the mission. You will be invited for the program for presenting your plans and ideas. Look at the description of the video for more details. Thank you. Jai Hind.